Hello, I'm Parth. I'm a Google Apps Script, Google Workspace, and automation expert. I've been working as a full-time freelancer since the last 6 years, but before that, I worked as a IT specialist in an Indian IT company. I used to work as a SAP data services developer. Then I completed my postgrad in data analytics, and all those things helped me in breaking down a large problem into smaller chunks. And then it also taught me a lot of other things like how to handle a large set of data, how to set up automations and everything to make processes easier. So now I work mostly as in Google Workspace. I connect all the different applications in Google Workspace via automations. Like we can connect Google Sheet to Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, and then we can create slides, PDFs, etc. And we can also connect Google applications with external applications like QuickBooks, FreshBooks, and Monday, Asana, Square, DocuSign, and a lot of other applications as well. And lately, I've been doing AI integrations along with that. For an example, I worked with a restaurant client. They had their business set up in Square. So I created an automation or a system where we get the data from Square, the orders, and then we break it down. For each of the menu type, we decided a food summary quantity. For example, if it is a brisket, we defined what will be the food item, what will be the meat that is required, what are the other items that might be required for that particular item, so that depending on the number of orders, depending on what is getting ordered, we prepared a food summary chart so that it's easier for the client to order the raw ingredients. And then we also created weekly summary, we created kitchen sheets for the staffs, we created payroll sheets automatically. We made a system where we can place an order directly from Google Sheet when a customer calls directly to place an order. We also created payrolls or sales receipts in QuickBooks as well, and everything was automated. Earlier, the client was spending almost 2 hours every single day managing all this, and after connecting Square, QuickBooks, Google Sheet, then we were able to do this in 10 minutes a day. And then I have been doing AI integrations as well. One of the biggest example is a wine business I helped recently. So we created a wine recommendation engine. So what they were doing earlier is they were sending bulk emails for a particular wine to their 5,000 customers. And now we created a system using Google Sheet, Superbase, and MailChimp for sending the emails, Beamer for sending notifications, and WooCommerce to get all the details from WooCommerce, all the orders and the products. And we integrated everything to create a wine recommendation engine using 25 different parameters for each of the wine. And then we created custom recommendation for a particular customer depending on their orders. And the sales have been tripled using that particular engine right now. So for every single customer, we have a customized recommendation based on their taste flavor. We are not sending random wines to every single person anymore. We also created bundles using AI, and those bundles are doing very well as well. So we are showing them this is your customized bundle based on your order, and then you can place an order and get a discount. And on the higher end, I have been doing a lot of web applications as well, small scale web applications for smaller teams. And even we can, most of the cases, we can even host the web application in Google environment for free as well. So we don't need any external services or external database. Google Sheet can be used as a database, and Google App Script can work as a backend, and the front end can be hosted in Google services as well. So if you have something that you are doing manually, if you want to automate a process or improve a particular process, or create a dashboard, then you can schedule a call with me and then we can have a discussion. If you are unsure whether something can be automated or not, maybe scheduling a call will help as well, so that we can discuss your business and discuss what are the opportunities, what are the processes that we can improve. Most of the time my clients come back and say, yeah, we should have done this much sooner, but they they are obviously good at their business, but they didn't know that that process can be improved. Thank you for taking a look at my profile. If you have any questions, anything, you can just ping me, or we can schedule a call and then get on a discussion and see whether we are a good fit or not. Thank you.